Hello, beautiful people. Hope everyone's having a great day. Just wanted to come on to live to share information about my new membership, WITT. Join WITT. WITT, aka we're in this together. So I'm just excited about this new membership that I do have upcoming. So this is a great platform to be on, and I'm here to help individuals with their health, wellness, and fitness journey. So feel free to check out WITT, aka we're in this together, at tashadetermined.io. And within my membership, I will be offering nutrition coaching as well as online personal training sessions, one-on-one coaching sessions. I'm going to be hosting a whole list of events within my membership. Hello, thank you for joining. Hello, love. Love, sing, love. Oh, hey, love, sing, heard. How are you doing? Yes, thank you for joining. So I just wanted to come on here to just promote and showcase more information about my upcoming membership that I do have. And it's the WITT. WITT, join the WITT. Join the WITT. We're in this together. Hello, Black Woman Success Join. Thank you for joining. Wave at you as well. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, ladies. But yeah, so I'm excited about this upcoming event. Hello, it's been a while. Long Sing Heard. Oh yes, Long Sing Heard. It has been a while. How are you doing? Happy New Year. Yes, it's been a while. So yeah, I'm going on this platform to just share information about WITT, which is my monthly membership that I literally just launched yesterday. So I launched it within January of 2023. WITT stands for AKA We're Together. So if you'd like to know more, feel free to check out tashadetermined.io. And I'm on this platform, on these various platforms, to promote what I have to offer for this new year, not just in 2023, but also beyond. And I love my membership. It's all about it's all inclusive, which means that you're not alone. It's about community. You're not alone. We're in the journey together. It's about accountability, and I'm just happy to showcase what I have to offer within that membership. She said, "Great, I will check it out." Oh, thank you. Well, thank you for taking time to check it out. Yes. So it's about being inclusive and community. Community is one of the key components of the membership that I do have to offer, as well as affordability. It's certainly affordable compared to other programs out here, especially since I'm a certified personal trainer, certified nutrition coach, as well as a certified weight management specialist. And so that's definitely a great price point, in my opinion, and I just want to help people because I know everyone's like on a financial budget and things like that. So just having a great price point, a membership program, a health, wellness, fitness program that can help you is beneficial. So that's why I came up with those various price points. So yeah, I want to say yes. I want to say Happy New Year. But yes, I just love my membership, and like I said, it's all about accountability. We're all in this journey together. You're not alone. I've been there, done it. It's not about me. It's literally about us as a collective coming together and just having a platform where we can just share information about health, wellness, and fitness. So that's what I'm doing on WITT. We're in this together. So I just want so yes, I just want to come on to share information about that. And there's two tiers. I do have the basic as well as the pro. So just feel free to check out tashadetermined.io to check out which one, or fill out which one would be the best for you, and just determine from there. But like, I'm determined to help you win. I'm determined to help you succeed. Just know that we're all in this together. We're in it to win it. You're not alone. And just know it starts with that mindset, everyone. The mindset is one of our most powerful assets that we own. In addition to our mindset is time. So it's very important that we have to learn how to utilize our mind as well as utilize our time. And we'll be well on our way to manifesting our weight loss goals as well as healthy living. So hello, LLC join. Hello, LLC. I'm waving at you as well. So I'm just coming on here to promote and showcase the WITT membership. I have my WITT membership. I love it. Join WITT. Join WITT. WITT stands for We're in it together. We're in it together. So I just come on this platform just to showcase, promote what I have to offer within my membership. Nutrition coaching, meal planning, mindset coaching, one-on-one coaching, Zoom coaching, quarterly gift giveaways. It's going to be a great platform, everyone. Just stay tuned. More information to come. Check out tashadetermined.io if you're curious and would like to know more. This is just the beginning, everyone. I want to say Happy New Year 2023. Make your dreams come true. Relating to health, wellness, and fitness, and I can help you get there. Sign up now. Yes, certainly so. Sign up now. Sign up now. Now is the time to sign up now. I love it. Yes. Now is the time. And I love my membership because it's not just about 2023. It's also beyond as well. In the future years, you got to think about this is a lifestyle and not a diet. We have 2024, 2025. So we have multiple years ahead of all of us. So it's all encompassing, all inclusive. This is a lifestyle, not a diet. I'm here to help you as well as anyone else who's looking to lose weight. Not only lose weight, but live a healthy lifestyle. Feel free to check out tashadetermined.io. I already have many individuals signing up now. So just become one of the upcomers as well, signing up to this program. And you'll be connected with like-minded individuals, not just me. You won't just be connected with me. You'll be connected with other women as well as males who are on the pursuit of health, wellness, and fitness. So just check out tashadetermined.io to learn more, and just stay tuned. I will be revealing more information about my membership, the upcoming lives. So I just want to come on to this live to just share information about that. So yes, stay tuned, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon.